Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are very going to explore the fascinating, outstanding, and spectacular ideas about the furnitures because I will be sharing some amazing insight tips that sure to keep engaged from to start and last, because if you are engaged my all video then you are a lot of ideas and different tips of our furniture. And furniture are very important for our home decoration. Home decoration is a beautiful, and then it is a directly connected with our mood, because lighting can play a big role in setting the mood in your room. And consider adding a decorative lamp and fairy lights or candles to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Okay, hope so you are enjoying my all video and informative and interesting my all videos. If you are like my video, then you are subscribe my YouTube channel and likes my video. Allah Hafiz, Jazakallah, my lovely beautiful viewers.